Hi KG2. Our new family today is our family. Our family today is our family. Okay, let's read the words. What's this? Our. This family is our. Hello, our family. The first word we have is k and r. It will be car. What's this word? Car. Okay. Next. J and r. It will be jar. This one is jar. J and r. Jar. Next. Who can read R? Who can read it? Super. Star. This word is star. Look. Star. Our family. Okay, this word is not easy. We have R in the middle of the word. P. R. Who can read that with me? Park. This one is park. Look. Park. Okay. This word is, we have R in the middle of the word too. R. Farm. What's this word? Farm. Look. R. Farm. We have many animals in the farm. Okay. Here, children, we're going to go to the pictures and read the words. What's this word? Jar. Star. Car. Read. Park and farm. Okay, so what our family today is our family. Thank you. See you later.